What's up guys, it's Siva Unboxing Tube here with another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the S9. This S9 looks sick, isn't it? Like, I already done all that thing, has face recognition. Let's see, it's no match because I'm holding a camera. Fingerprint as well, wait, on the hand. Yeah. Okay, so these are the games downloaded: Fortnite, there's Bixi, all of that. Yeah, so let's get into the unboxing. Okay guys, yeah. So guys, I'm back with my editing skills. So let's unbox this S9. So on the side, nothing. At the back it says Samsung Galaxy S9. That's the measurements. Super speed dual pixels. Super slow-mo, whatever that is. AKG headphones, has waterproof, IP68, iris scan, 64 memory, 4G RAM, wireless charging, pad required, earphones turned by AKG, security by Knox. Why am I shaking the phone? Gonna have my cameraman over here with video. Unboxing this Samsung Galaxy S9. So, open it. So we're greeted with Samsung Galaxy S9. So all my papers are falling off, but we don't need papers anymore. Okay, so Samsung Galaxy S9. You can see the SIM injection tool and the quick start guide. Okay. For itself, so I did open it to put my fingerprints on. Okay, turning on right now. Okay, they made me set it up at the store. So yeah, see, we have the fast adaptive fast charging. We also have these. So basically the micro C to type C. So if you lose these cables and you only have a micro C, you can still charge it. And also the, like, it's called Samsung Smart thing or something to change things from that phone to this phone. Put those back in because we're not going to be using that because the phone is already set up. I use this at the store. Here are the AKG headphones. And here are the Type C, it's very long, Type C, and have the earbud. So we don't need the earbud because we're not going to be using the earbud. We just need the charger and the phone. This is it. So guys, tell me if you kept the S9 box, because like the box is kind of, this is a box that I would keep because like that to the side. Wrong way USB cable. I'm going to be using this later. Okay, so I did get a case for this phone. Let me go and get that. So guys, I got the Gear 4. So this is the Gear 4. Put that in. So the case itself, S9 Piccadilly D30, 30 meters to 10 feet, drop tested. So yeah, very good. Put that back in. It's for Samsung, so Samsung. Yeah. So I'm into the phone. I was downloading stuff on the way. So you can see I have all of my banks and games, yeah, eBay. Okay, so if you don't know, go to my O2 app. I want to show you my number. So guys, I have 50 gigabytes of data and I have 30 left. So let's see how fast these apps are. Okay, Bixi. Okay, phone. Okay, as a comparison, let me go and get a phone that is way cheaper. Okay guys, so in the comparison I got this very cheap P9 Lite by Huawei. Okay, that was not good. Okay, so the cameraman put it here. Okay, so this has low battery. Okay, so let's do that low battery as well. I don't know why. Okay, so first, okay, 3, 2, 1. Well, I don't know what. Oh yeah, I forgot there's something here. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that went faster. Let me put that right. It's not letting me, so yeah. But I'm just going to put the cable on. Quickly, just wait. So guys, the charge has been on, so let's do right something. So first is going to be the phone. Okay, this is faster. It comes this way. Okay, next is this has no contact. Contacts is basically in here, so instead of doing contacts, you message. Okay, S9 was faster. I don't know what was faster. Is that again? Yeah, S9 was clearly faster. Camera. Okay, S9. This is battery too low. Okay, that's clearly S9. Do YouTube. Faster. Okay, clearly faster. Okay, let's go to settings. Okay, let's go to about phone. So this is Android version 7. And this is Android 8, your model. Okay, so this is basically faster. Okay, let me hold this in my hands now. Yeah. Okay, next is going to be virus on this phone. Okay, so basically I think this was gonna win because the phone is actually smaller. See, kind of smaller. The same size kind of, but for some reason this phone. Okay, let's do Google. Okay, it's because I had something on there. Do that again. Okay, that was clearly faster. Okay, the Samsung. Okay, let's do App Store. Told you there is kind of a virus over here, so I have to capture the phone. Okay, that was clearly faster. So the Samsung Galaxy is kind of faster. Let me take off the case and do it. Maybe the case is actually interfering with how I'm holding the phone. Charge. Yeah, it's the case. So let's do YouTube again. Pick that. Okay, so you can see the S9 is faster. So guys, please subscribe and like to this video. Peace out.